This is my sister, Diana.
Hello, Diana. How are you? What do you do?
I take care of 20 horses on our horse farm, and I work for a chiropractor.
Really? Horses. My daughter rides horses.
So does my daughter.
Yeah. Equestrian? Yeah, I'm tired of that. It's expensive. You can't make no money.
No,
I don't know why we doing it.
it's fun.
It's fun. It's fun for who? I ain't had fun yet. It's crazy, man. God blesses you, you have a life for your kids, My daughter comes in and asks me for a horse. I can get her a horse. I asked my daddy for a horse. He told me to go outside and put some hair on my bicycle. That's a big difference now.